Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up basic animation with Parallax. So we have built here as you can see, a fully fluid creative in all the different sizes. This was actually built out using 5 different sizes: the horizontal, the landscape, the tile, the portrait, and the vertical. As you can see, we've laid out all these different sizes. I'm just going to go to all and click on the horizontal for now. And so the way you start is you turn on the animation system, enable animation, and I'm going to create a parallax that just has the phone screen scroll up and down. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see here, you can see how the phone screen just scrolls up and down. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. Just having a background image looks static. So the way you do that is you select the element that you want, the phone screen. I'm going to click here to turn on the animation. As you can see there it is. And I'm just going to select that element. That element is anchored to the left. So what we want to do is we want to anchor to the top, and then just move the. So we're actually going to set the x-axis as 0, and we're going to make the y-axis. We'll just make that 150 minus 150, like that, at a starting position. And then I'm going to go here to 2 seconds. Just go here to 2 seconds. And at 2 seconds, we're going to make that same element 150 in the other direction. So now is if I actually move it, as you can see, it's moving from the top all the way to the bottom. We could have it just go 100% to 100%, but I gave it a little bit of extra, 150 to 150. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the animation to all sizes like this. And so now if I go to any of the other sizes here, as you can see, the end position, the element is sticking out a little bit. So I'm going to move it down a little bit further for that size. And then let me just go see how that looks. That looks good. I'm going to go to the other one here. Let me just zoom in, go to the beginning and play it. It looks like it zooms in quite nicely. And then I'll go to this one here. Zooms in like that. And then the final one, go here. And zooms in like that. Okay, so now I have that for all sizes. Now what you do is you open up the settings. You enable the parallax animation, and I selected when the first pixel is in view, and when the full end is off screen, I selected that option. And then I just hit Open Preview and save and open. Preview all, it takes you to the preview page. And on the preview page, as you can see here, I actually hover over this, turning on the parallax. And as you can see, there it is. And I can actually shrink that down. And you can see that even in the fluid state, you still get that parallax. So thank you very much, and that's the way you set up a simple parallax animation.